In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear OneNote cache, step by step. Clearing the OneNote cache is an important maintenance task that can help resolve syncing issues, free up storage space, and improve the overall performance of your OneNote application. By following this process carefully, you can ensure your app runs smoothly and avoids potential errors. To begin, open your Microsoft OneNote application and load into your notebook. Allow everything to fully load before proceeding, as this ensures that any pending changes are synced and that you are working with the correct account. This step is important to avoid any data inconsistencies while clearing system files. Now, it's essential to understand that OneNote does not provide a built-in feature to clear the cache directly from the app. We will need to locate the cache folder manually through your computer's file system. Don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step. Start by opening File Explorer from your desktop or taskbar. From here, navigate to your main hard drive, usually labeled as Local Disk C. This is where Windows and most program files, including Microsoft Office, are installed. Next, open the Users folder and select your User Profile folder. This contains all your personal application data. Inside your User folder, locate the App Data folder. If it's hidden, enable viewing hidden items using the View menu in File Explorer. Open App Data, then Local, which is where many applications store temporary files and cache data. Within the Local folder, find the Microsoft folder and open it. Then locate the OneNote folder. Inside, you'll see a folder named with a number, usually 16, representing your Office version. Open this folder, and finally, you will see the cache folder. To clear the cache, right-click the cache folder and select Delete. If you want to permanently delete it without sending it to the recycle bin, hold the Shift key while deleting. This action is completely safe because OneNote will automatically recreate the cache folder the next time you open the app. There is no risk of losing your notes or data. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully cleared your OneNote cache, which should improve performance and help resolve any sync-related issues you might have encountered. Performing this maintenance regularly can keep OneNote running efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.